Hey everyone, it's great to be back. You might remember I promised a follow-up video some time ago about our machine learning models. Well, it's been a bit of a wait, and that's because we've been hard at work perfecting these models to ensure accuracy. We wanted to make sure that when I came back, I had something substantial to share. That meant refining our models, tweaking algorithms, and putting in the hours to ensure top-notch accuracy. Trust me, it's been worth the wait. So in this video, I'm excited to announce that for a limited time, you can access our predictions for free. All we ask in return is your valuable feedback. I'll walk you through how to use the models effectively. And at the end, I'll provide a link in the description for you to access these predictions. All right, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Here, you'll see our predictions in action. I'll explain how to interpret the model results and how to make the most of these powerful predictions. All right, so start by looking at the model precision. Start by knowing that we only use models with a precision greater than 75%, meaning the model will get it right 3 out of 4 times. So keep that in mind. That's important. I'll tell you why in a little bit. Now, go ahead and look at the probabilities. You see this 91 probability is 78, 65%. What it means is that the model is predicting based on historical events, scenarios, and data points that there is a 91% probability that this particular options contract will at least break even. This is a call, meaning the price will at least get to $106. Now, keep in mind that we're working with predictions that were originated last week, Sunday, November 19th, depending on when you're watching this, right? Sunday, November 19th. And they were for options contracts that expired 2 weeks from then. So Friday, December 1st. Now, if you look at the predictions, notice that, for example, Nike, we start with 91%, 78, 65, so forth and so on. Generally, the probabilities are decreasing. The farther you go out into the future, the less likely or the less information the model has to be able to provide with accurate probabilities. Having said that, we use these predictions just for the following week, and we are rerunning these models on a weekly basis currently. Eventually, we might be able to run this on a daily basis. So yeah, again, we currently do not offer a daily service with predictions that can inform you about your existing positions, buy, sell, hold, etc. However, if you sign up, you'll be receiving a survey. And there, let us know if this is the next service that we should be focusing on. Remember, I told you that it mattered the precision of the model. And I told you that we only get models with a precision of 75% or higher, meaning that the model gets the predictions correctly about 3 times out of 4. Now, having said that, make sure that you use as many of the predictions here, because if you use, say, only Nike, for example, and that happens to be the instance where the model got it wrong, you're not going to do well. But if you use as many as possible from here, and you go ahead and hold them all, say you buy all of this, and those are your positions, chances are, and as you will see, I'll show you the return on these predictions, chances are you're going to do well. So yeah, the more predictions you use, the better your odds. Now, let's go ahead and talk about numbers. Let's talk about performance. How did these predictions actually do? I'm just going to go ahead and show you the results or the performance for this particular week for these predictions. Now, let's talk numbers. Let's go ahead and look at the performance of these predictions. Here, we're looking at the performance for the week of November 20th. We can see that we got a 26% return. There it is. We started with, we made $303 in profit. Yes, it is a paper trade account. We're using this for testing purposes. However, for the last 3 weeks, we have gotten positive returns. We got 40% on the first week, 97 on the second week, and the last week, which was last week, we got 26%. We'll be doing the same with this coming week's performance. We're going to go ahead and post it as well on our website, machinelearningappliedlabs.com. And yeah, as I just said, this information can be found in our website, machinelearningappliedlabs.com. There you'll see the results for the last 3 weeks, and we'll continue to post results there. Right. So finally, the big news: for a limited time, you can access these accurate machine learning models for free in exchange for your feedback. I'll post the link in the description below. Thank you for sticking around, and I'm eager to see how you utilize these predictions in your own trading. Stay tuned for more updates. Cheers, everyone.